just up there a little bit ago. Stop, unfortunately, and get a ticket, but I am trying to go as slow as I can. They have no, well. Alrighty. Yeah, 1983, it was that high. Damn. Alrighty. And here we have the Las Vegas time. And then we'll be crossing over here and you'll see the Nevada time. Arizona time, excuse me. And right now they're in sync, but when we do daylight savings, we're about an hour difference. Down there on the bottom, folks, those are the turbines in which they do turn and create the electricity. And you'll be able to see that a little bit better, the turbines, as we go up and around the bend over here. Okay, there's your folks, here is the gift shop right here in which you can go get yourself some water, soda, whatever you'd like. And
alright, the Hoover Dam. Awesome. Yeah, this is the backside, of course.
Yeah. Those four structures are the turbines.
Yeah.
Make the energy.
Oh yeah, calcium buildup from when the water was higher. Alright, at the Hoover Dam again here.